How are you doing, Cali Crowd? I wanted to make this super quick video for those of you looking to learn to handstand who may be working with a friend to help you handstand in free space. And if you spot a handstand, you want to make sure you're doing it right, so feel free to watch this with your handstand partner to make sure that you get the most out of this skill. Jumping straight into it, we're going to be working with a kick up entry today, but most of the premises here work for any other methods for entering the handstand as well. But first, let's jump through some do's and don'ts when it comes to spotting a handstand, starting with not committing. Handstanding in free space, even with a spotter, can still be scary. Most beginners fear kicking into overbalance and falling forward over themselves, so they hesitate to commit to kicking up. What you do not want to be doing as a spotter is pulling the hand balancer into balance from a position caused by this lack of force in the kick up. It's your job as the spotter to remove some of that fear that is causing this hesitation to commit to the kick up. Encourage the hand balancer to kick more towards overbalance so that they can learn to catch themselves by pressing down with the fingertips. Even if they do not catch themselves and they fly past the balance point, you will be there to ensure they don't fall. The other thing we want to be mindful of is your hand position. For the spotter, most people naturally want to spot a handstand from the lower legs or the ankles, and upon the kick up, we grab the ankles and hold the hand balancer in place. Completely understandable, as this is similar to where we receive support in the back to wall handstand. The issue with this though is that the wall is straight and very good for providing tactile feedback. The benefits of being supported by a straight and, more importantly, static wall do not carry over to being supported by a human that can think and move. Being spotted at the ankles encourages a lack of tension at the shoulders and hips, which is not a habit we want to ingrain. Instead, support from the upper legs or hips. The hand balancer might still not get the most perfect body line, but by supporting them here, they will need to create tension in the legs and subsequently their midsection too, leading to better handstands. So with the do's and don'ts out of the way, what does good handstand spotting look like? You, the spotter, want to place your foot between the hands of the hand balancer. They should already be pushing tall through the arms as they kick up into your hands. Once they are in the handstand, don't worry too much about body line here. Just let them be comfortable with you supporting them being upside down. Provide the support to keep them in balance, but once they are clearly using you for more support than makes sense, support them on the way down, back into that starting position. And that's it, a quick tutorial on how to safely spot a handstand. Pair this with your wall training to develop quality handstands, and guys, I'll see you in the next one.